Have you ever imagined waking up in the morning, opening your eyes, and seeing the world in perfect clarity, like you're looking through an ultra-high-definition screen without needing to reach for your glasses? And what if I told you that the solution to poor vision, dry eyes, and even age-related vision decline is not limited to expensive surgeries? There is a very tiny seed, perhaps already sitting in your kitchen right now, that scientific research has shown has an astonishing ability to repair the tiny blood vessels in the eyes and regenerate damaged cells. In the next few minutes I will reveal this miracle seed and how to use it correctly in a way that may completely change how you think about your eye health. Get ready for a positive shock that could change your life, and stay with me until the end, because the way you prepare this seed makes all the difference. In 2018, a medical university published a study that completely changed the understanding of vision decline. Researchers followed a group of people suffering from progressive vision deterioration. These individuals felt hopeless. As they aged, their glasses became thicker, and they struggled to clearly see their grandchildren's faces or read books without intense eye strain that felt like it was tearing their heads apart. It is a painful and frustrating feeling. The human eye is one of the most complex and energy-demanding organs in the body. Every day, it is under constant attack, from blue light emitted by our phones, oxidative stress, and poor nutrition. That is why we don't just need healthy food, we need targeted biological tools designed specifically to repair the retina. Let's begin our journey with foods and seeds that can restore youth to your eyes. The first seed, chia seeds. When we talk about annoying dry eyes, you know, that gritty sensation like sand under your eyelids, chia seeds are the first line of defense. These tiny seeds, once used by ancient Mayan warriors for energy, are packed with a liquid treasure of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s don't just build muscles, they are actually a key structural component of the oil layer in your tears. When you consume chia seeds, you are directly supplying the glands in your eyelids with the raw materials needed to produce high-quality oils. This prevents tear evaporation and keeps your cornea moist and healthy throughout the day. Scientifically, the omega-3s in chia seeds also reduce microscopic inflammation in the retina, easing eye strain after long hours in front of screens. But if chia seeds protect against dryness, what about protection from aging-related damage? The next food will surprise you. It acts like an internal pair of sunglasses built into your eyes. The second seed, sunflower seeds. Imagine having an invisible shield protecting the most sensitive part of your eye from damage. That is exactly what sunflower seeds do. They are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E and zinc. The macula, the yellow part of the retina responsible for sharp central vision, used in reading and driving, gradually deteriorates with age due to free radicals. Vitamin E acts as a personal bodyguard for these cells, neutralizing free radicals before they damage the retina. Zinc, on the other hand, acts like a transport vehicle, carrying vitamin A from the liver directly to the eyes, where it helps produce melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes from ultraviolet radiation. A small handful of raw sunflower seeds daily can make a significant difference in your night vision clarity. But with all these incredible benefits, one question remains. What is the miracle seed I promised you at the beginning of this video, the one that has amazed eye doctors with its ability to repair what time has damaged? Get ready for the big reveal, the miracle seed grape seeds. Yes, grape seeds. These hard little seeds that we usually spit out or throw away without realizing we are discarding a priceless medical treasure. The secret lies in a powerful compound known as OPC, oligomeric proanthocyanidins. This is one of the strongest antioxidants in the world, many times more powerful than vitamin C and vitamin E. Vision loss often begins with damage to the tiny blood vessels that supply the eyes. With stress, diabetes, or high blood pressure, these vessels start leaking or becoming blocked, depriving the eyes of oxygen and nutrients. This is where grapeseed extract steps in. It performs a complete maintenance operation, strengthens blood vessel walls in the eyes, prevents fluid leakage, improves oxygen-rich blood flow to the optic nerve and retina. There are real stories of people suffering from cataracts and macular degeneration who notice significant improvement in vision clarity and a reduction in symptoms after regularly taking grapeseed extract. It is, quite literally, rebuilding the internal infrastructure of your eyes from the inside out. How to use these seeds in your daily life. Now that you know the secret, how do you actually benefit from it? It's simpler than you think. For chia and sunflower seeds, add a spoonful of each to a cup of yogurt or sprinkle them over your daily salad. For grape seeds, since they are hard to digest, it's best to chew them well when eating fresh grapes, or take them as a standardized grapeseed extract supplement after consulting your doctor for the correct dosage. Your eyes are your window to this beautiful world, and they deserve more than just glasses that hide the problem without solving it. Nature is full of miracles waiting to be discovered and used correctly. Start today by changing your habits, add these seeds to your diet, and give your body the chance to heal itself. Have you ever tried eating grape seeds instead of throwing them away? And what surprised you the most in today's episode? Share your thoughts in the comments. I read them all. And don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next health secrets that could change your life for the better. Stay healthy and well, and see you in the next video.